I fully approve that. And a 200. Slap a 25x and...
Let's go, guys. Thank you. Bets are closed, and here we go. So we got a crazy time 5x top slot there. Good luck to everyone. Best of luck to you all. Wishing you the best. Let's see what we're gonna be getting now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. You guys, crazy time 5x top slot. Woo! Finally. Let's go. Good luck. Woo! Ha! We got it. Woo! Crazy time 5x. Crazy time 5x. Crazy time. Crazy time. Crazy time 5x. Let's break the records. Let's do this. Good luck to you guys. Let's go. Let's add up that 5x for everything there. Wowzers. Look at the party going on there. Yeehaw. Okay. Decision time. This is important. Choose your team. Team green, team blue, or team yellow. Good luck. Alright, guys. You ready? So... 500x max multi, let's get some doubles and triples in. Good luck, let's go. Okay, we got 75 for yellow, 100x for blue, and a double for green, you guys. Let's double the fun. Alright, so now... we can get 1,000x, guys. Good luck to green team. Good luck. Well, that's going to be a 250x for team green this time. Congratulations.
With 1,320ers. Go Heaven with 1,118 euros on the wins. Here and now. What species you look like, Woody? There's a snake in my boot. Yes. Bets are closed. Do y'all like snakes, by the way? Or do you like reptiles in general? I got like a collar sort of like a reptile as well. Pachinko with a 2x. 708 says, hey, hello there. Says your hands are like you need to rest, man. Nah, no rest for the weary. No rest for me just yet. There we go. Pachinko with 2x. Time to get flowing and going. Stewing and brewing. Now, you all ready for this? Welcome back to Return to Pachinko. Indeed, it has been a little while. Good to see you back here in ready state for us to go. Okay, starting off with a 7x. We can do better. 10x, 15, 20x, 25, 200x, double. You know what that 200x is going to turn into? Look at it. Look at this one. Look. That's 400x. Okay, maybe the double. Looking real nice. Okay, to the left, to the left. Ready, set, go. Right here, there's something real nice. Come here. Yes. 400x. Right here, double. Double. Get the double. Double. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Whoosh. 800x right here. That is a bunch of chonkers right here. And now, y'all ready to go? Let's do a 50 cal. 50 caliber sniper rifle shot. 800 extra, go home, okay? Ready, set, go! Load the boot. Come on. 800x, 800x. We're going right, 800x. Come on, tush. Yes! 800x, ladies and gentlemen. Woo-wee! Yes, that felt good. We got the money. 6,281 winners. Go ahead.
Today, very lucky, I'm very happy. Decided to change the topic. Have enough money for 2 years. Having all right. Woo, that's a good thing to do, Mr. Scott. I fully approve that. 25x on the pachinko. I believe that thing really wants us to get a pachinko. But that's a nice cause, Dr. Scott. I fully agree, sir. You have my respect. By the way, I have a little bit of an announcement to make for you personally, Dr. Scott. But not now, maybe a couple days. Oppa! Stop. Let's go. Pachinko at 25x, boys! Woo! Let's go. All right, here's the pot. Show me the layout. Give it to me, baby. 3x is the minimum one. 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 50, and a 200. Slap a 25x on top, baby. We have a 5,000x over there. Just look at this board. Woo! All right, let's go. He will be dropping pretty close to it. Do it! Didn't want to go in. He low, too fat. All right. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 1,000 something. Still good. 375x, ladies and gentlemen. Still good. Still good. Very good. Outstanding.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.